Are you tired of having to constantly navigate back and forth within your instance? Smart Simple's Tab Bar feature is designed for users who wish to work on multiple items simultaneously. It allows efficient management of multiple tabs within a single browser tab, providing a convenient and organized way to handle various tasks or items concurrently. Additionally, you will also have the option to enable multitasking, which allows one to display two tabs of Smart Simple within the same browser window, facilitating effortless side-by-side comparison. To enable tab bar access for users in your system, you must be a global administrator. We can head over to our configuration menu, global settings, security, system feature permissions, features, then the enabled tab bar option. Consider which roles in your system should have access to the tab bar feature. In most cases, internal users, such as staff or reviewers, should be given tab bar access, whereas external users, such as applicants, don't typically need to access this feature. After selecting who can have access to the tab bar, we can click Save. Once enabled, users must reload their page, either by refreshing or relogging, before being able to access the tab bar. We can now add new tabs by pressing the New Tab button on the bottom. On the far bottom right, we can also enable multitasking, and this is ideal for users wanting to compare two different records on one page. We can easily toggle it off whenever we want. As shown, tab bars can be very convenient when it comes to handling various tasks or items within one single browser window. Thank you.